Yeah, somebody likes you. Yeah, they sure did. It's right here. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? No, it's Beggin strips. And oh, you're that excited, huh? Supposedly they're new. It doesn't say it on the package, but the person who sent them said that it said new on the shelf. So Beggin strips with bacon and cheese flavor. Let's see what she thinks of them, shall we?
That dog named Lotus, you know it's Lotus. Her name is Lotus, it's Lotus. It's Lotus. Her name is Lotus, it's Lotus. It's Lotus. Lotus, you wanna try? Oh. You wanna try one? Do you? Oh yeah, licking your lips already? Want one? Ooh, are these for me? Oh, it's for you? Okay, come here. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it, doggy? You got that one gone already? Oh, look at you. Where is it? Was that good? Is it? Was it good? Did you like it? Is that a yes? Yeah. Want another one? Careful. Be careful. Don't choke yourself. I think you like him, huh? I think we're gonna save the rest so we could share. Can we save the rest so we could share? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna save the rest. Yeah, don't hold your breath, Lotus.